Parts of Plants and Humans, Chapter 4. Parts of flowering plant. Each part has an important function for the plant to grow. Flowers. Flowers are often brightly colored. They help the plant to reproduce. They develop into fruits that contain the seeds. The seeds grow into new plants. Leaves. Leaves make food for the plant in the presence of sunlight. The stem keeps the plant upright. That means it does not let it fall. It transports water and nutrients from the roots to all the parts of the plant. It also transports food from the leaves to all parts of the plant. Roots. The roots hold the plant firmly to the ground. They also help the plant to get water and nutrients from the soil. What do you think will happen if you remove any part of the plant? Plants cannot survive if roots and stems were taken away. It can survive if leaves and flowers are plucked, as leaves and flowers can regrow. What will you observe when the fan is switched on? Will the plant fly away? Why or why not? No, the plant won't fly away as the roots hold the plant firm in the soil. This activity shows that this is the function of the root. Growing healthy plants. How does light affect plant growth? Plants need light to be healthy. Seedlings in pot A are healthy, whereas the seedlings in pot B are unhealthy. How does temperature affect the plant growth? Plants need a suitable temperature to be healthy. Different plants grow in different temperatures. How does water affect plant growth? Plants need water to stay firm and make food. If plants do not receive enough water, the plant will wilt. The plant may die. Lungs. The lungs are located next to the heart. When you breathe in, oxygen in the air moves into your lungs. Blood in the blood vessels absorb the oxygen. When you breathe out, carbon dioxide is removed from the blood into the air. Brain. The brain is in the head. It controls other organs by sending messages to them. Stomach. The stomach is a large, hollow organ. It mixes the food with acids and digests the food. The partially digested food is passed to the small intestine. Small intestine. The small intestine continues digesting the food. The body absorbs the digested food. Undigested food is passed to the large intestine. Heart. The heart takes blood rich in oxygen from the lungs and pumps it into different parts of the body. It takes blood rich in carbon dioxide from the other parts of the body and pumps it into the lungs. Large intestine. The large intestine is where the body absorbs the water from the undigested food. The undigested food is stored until it is passed out of the body.